A British expert has said that the annual sessions of China's top legislature and political advisory body to open this week is a case for transparency because of the consultation to the public, which is very rarely seen in Europe.
I think it's at central level and at regional level where the bills are being pushed in the public, are being read actually to the public, and the public can give comments to the spokesman office through a consultation process. Now, I can tell you, this is more transparent than anything I've seen in France or in England. Then, this is a case for transparency, which means it is something which is increasing the relevance and the fact that actually these lianghui are not robust and effective because of the consultation to the public. You see that in Europe. It's only when you've got a referendum on certain issues which you have actually a consultation with the public. Otherwise, most of the bills, the public has very small amount of say. I think that Western media are absolutely no way they can understand how the lianghui is organized, how the lianghui is working, and because nobody has been participating to any of the sessions. Even so, you have observers, from the press upstairs. It doesn't mean that actually they are understanding anything of the process which is leading to the effective session. In fact, all the work is being done before the session.
China is set to convene its annual 2 sessions from Friday. The annual gatherings of the National People's Congress and the National Committee of the Chinese People's Political Consultative Conference bring together thousands of national legislators and political advisors to review and discuss the work of the central government, national legislature, top court and procuratorate over the past year and plan for the future.